4 things that all patients should ask themselves before they go into plastic surgery. I think the first most important question is, what do I want out of this procedure? You have to know what goals you want to achieve from the procedures. It helps to think about what breast size you want, what sort of result you want, where do you want the tummy tuck scar, how big do you want your BBL? And these days, visual ideas of what is important to the patient and what the patient's goals are important. For example, I have a lot of patients come in with a certain look that they have in mind, and I do ask them, do you have any photos, other people that they get from social media most commonly, so that I have an idea of what they're looking for. Because sometimes words can help, but an image, especially in my field, is very important. The second thing that they need to decide on is, are they actually ready for the procedure? That means they have to be physically ready, mentally ready, prepare their loved ones, friends and family that are going to help them through the recovery. So that's the second question that I think is very important, just to be ready for plastic surgery, because it is a big step and we want everything to be optimal and ideal for a patient after the procedure when they're recovering. Third, also extremely important, is you need to choose somebody that is listening to you, that can give you the result that you want based on their skill and experience and their talent. Very important. And that is, know who you're going to choose going into surgery so you feel confident and comfortable with the surgeon that you pick. And the fourth most important question, I feel, is, have I asked everything I need to know going into surgery? Information is very important. You want to ask your surgeon and his or her team. You want to do your research and be very comfortable going into surgery so that you're not guessing or wondering what you should be doing after surgery, wondering about the implants that you got, wondering how the surgery was done. All these little details, if you know as much as possible, you're going to feel the most comfortable recovering after your surgery. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned because our next video is going to talk about all the important questions you should ask before your breast augmentation.